Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to discuss the multiple choice questions from the chapter Acid, Bases and Salts. This will be the part 1 of the MCQ questions which I am going to discuss with you, and I hope that these questions will help in building the concepts for acid, bases and salts. So let's get started with the questionnaire. The first question is, what happens when a solution of an acid is mixed with a solution of base in a test tube? Students, whenever an acid reacts with base, it forms salt, and along with it some amount of heat is also released, right? So here the statements which are given, temperature of the solution decreases, this is not a correct statement. Temperature of the solution increases, this will be the correct statement. Temperature of the solution remains same, no. And salt formation take place, so this is a correct statement. So in the option D will be the correct answer for this question. Our next question says, which of the following salts does not contain water of crystallization? Here blue options are blue vitriol. Blue vitriol is copper sulfate CuSO4. It contains 5 molecules of water of crystallization. Washing soda, its formula is Na2CO3. It contains 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Gypsum, it is calcium sulfate and it is having 2 molecules of water of crystallization, whereas baking soda, it is NaHCO3 and it does not contain any water of crystallization. So answer of this question will be baking soda. The next question says, an aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solution would reverse the change? So when red litmus is turning to blue, it means acidic solution is turning to basic solution. Okay, so to reverse the condition, we have to add large amount of acid, which will turn the blue solution to red. Next question says, two aqueous solutions of P and Q have pH of 5 and 13 respectively. The correct inference is that, students, जिसका भी pH 5 है, इसका मतलब है कि ये एक weak acid है, और जिसका भी pH 13 है, इसका मतलब है कि ये एक strong base है. So let us see the options. Solution of P is of HCl. HCl is a strong acid, so this will not be the option. Solution P is of acetic acid. ये हो सकता है, लेकिन Q क्या दिया हुआ है? Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is not a strong base, so this will not be the option. Solution P is of nitric acid. Nitric acid is a strong acid and that is why it will not be the answer. Option D is solution P is of acetic acid. ये हो सकता है, and Q is of sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is a strong base and that is why option D is the correct answer for this question. Our next question says, the pH of a solution is 7. How can you increase its pH? Students, आप जानते हो कि जब pH स्केल होता है वहां पर 7 का मतलब होता है न्यूट्रल, एंड 7 से 14 तक जाते हैं तो ये बन जाता है हाईली बेसिक. तो अगर 7 न्यूट्रल है तो यहाँ पे अगर थोड़ा सा भी हम लोग बेस ऐड करेंगे तो सॉल्यूशन बन जाएगा बेसिक. ऑप्शन बी जो है ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. Our next question says, sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of. स्टूडेंट्स ये समझ लो कि अगर हम लोग हमारे पास स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड प्लस स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस होते हैं तो ये न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट बनाता है. अगर वीक एसिड है और स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस है तो ये बनाता है बेसिक सॉल्ट, और अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है और वीक बेस है तो ये बनाता है हमारा एसिडिक सॉल्ट, राइट? तो हमें पूछा गया है कि सोडियम कार्बोनेट इज अ बेसिक सॉल्ट, और दैट इज व्हाई द आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, weak acid plus strong base. Next question says, which gas is evolved when acids react with metals? जब भी कोई acid react करता है, suppose HCl is reacting with sodium, it will form sodium chloride plus hydrogen gas will be released. So here the hydrogen will be the correct answer. Next question is, a sample of soil is mixed with water and allowed to settle. The clear supernatant solutions turn the pH paper yellowish orange. Which of the following would change the color of this pH paper to greenish blue? अगर कोई पेपर येलोइश ऑरेंज बन जाता है मतलब ये एक एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन बन गया, तो उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए या तो उसको अल्कलाइन बनाने के लिए वी हैव टू ऐड एनी काइंड ऑफ एंटासिड, ताकि वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाए या फिर वो अल्कलाइन बन जाए, दैट टर्न्स द solution to greenish blue, and that is why we have to add antacid. So option D will be the correct answer. Next question says, which of the following gives the correct increasing order of acidic strength? Increasing order में क्या आएगा? देखिए, water is neutral, its pH is 7. Acetic acid, its pH is 5 because it is weak acid. Hydrochloric acid, it is strong acid and its pH is almost 1. So the increasing order में देखा जाए तो option A will be the correct answer. If a few drops of concentrated acid accidentally spills over the hand of a student, what should be done? In that case, we should wash the hand immediately with plenty of water and apply a paste of sodium hydrogen carbonate over the area. So, option B will be the correct answer. Next question is, farmers neutralize the effect of acidity of the soil by adding slaked lime. Farmers add slaked lime in order to decrease the acidity of the soil, or in other words we can say to increase the alkalinity of the soil. Our next question is, a teacher gave two test tubes to the students, one containing water and other containing sodium hydroxide. She asked them to identify the test tube containing sodium hydroxide solution. Which one of the following can be used for the identification? Students, if we know that one of the solutions is sodium hydroxide, so the best thing to do is to use the litmus solution, because sodium hydroxide is a base and it will turn red litmus to blue, and that is why the option B will be the correct answer. Means if we use red litmus solution and add to both of them, so the sodium hydroxide will turn red litmus to blue color solution. Next question is, one of the constituents of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The other constituent is tartaric acid will be the answer. Next question is, increasing the OH ion concentration leads to, if the OH ion concentration increases in any of the solution, the basicity increases, and we can also say that pH level will also increase. So option A will be the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following statements is correct about an aqueous solution of an acid and of a base? Let us see the statements. Higher the pH, stronger the acid. It will not be the correct statement. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. It will be the correct statement. Lower the pH, stronger is the base. No. Whereas lower the pH, weaker is the base. So here statement 2 and 4 are the correct statements. So option D will be the correct answer. Next question is, the pH of three solutions X, Y, Z is 6, 4 and 8 respectively. Which of the following is correct order of their acidic strength? So here students, what we understand that 8 is the base, 6 is weak acid and 4 is strong acid. It is a strong acid, it is weak acid and it is a weak base. So as we have to find the correct order of their acidic strength and Y is the strongest acid, so option C will be the correct answer for this question. Next question is, which one of the following can be used as an acid base indicator by a visually impaired student? See students, a visually impaired student can use his other senses, and here vanilla essence has a very strong smell, and that is why vanilla essence can be used as a indicator. Next question, what is gastric acid present in the stomach composed of? Gastric acid contains hydrochloric acid. Our next question is, which of the following is acidic in nature? Out of all these, lime juice will be more acidic in nature. When the solution of an acid is diluted, what will be the change in pH of a solution? When an acid is diluted, more water is added to it. The pH level will increase, means the acidic strength will be decreased. So here the answer will be option B. So when the dilution is taking place, the pH of the solution will increase. Next question, when the stopper of a bottle containing colorless liquid was removed, the bottle gave a smell like that of vinegar. The liquid in the bottle could be of acetic acid. Acetic acid is the major component of vinegar, and that is why the answer is acetic acid solution. Next question is, Which of the following is not a mineral acid? Out of hydrochloric acid, citric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, citric acid is the organic acid. It is found in all the citrus fruits. So, this will be the answer. Next question is, which of the following is not a base? And NaOH is sodium hydroxide, KOH is potassium hydroxide, NH4OH is ammonium hydroxide, and C2H5OH is alcohol, it is ethanol, and this is not a base. So, option D will be the correct answer. The next question is, to protect tooth decay, one is advised to brush the teeth regularly. The ingredient of the paste which checks tooth decay is, our toothpaste contains basic ingredients which neutralizes the effect of acids which gets accumulated in our teeth, and that is why option B will be the correct answer. So that is all, students. I hope that you will like the content, and if you like the content, please put the likes on the video and put your comments in the comment box, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and share the channel amongst your friends. Thanks a lot for watching the video till this moment. See you until next time. Bye till then.